Hello everyone! How are you today, guys? What are you doing there, guys? What's your update for today's video, guys? Ito si Sis Joanne nyo. Ayan, nagpapaganda. Char! Feel ko na guys, for today's guys. Earlier, I get been guys, been busy ako sa pa-beauty beauty. So, ayun, sa nakikita nyo guys. Ayan, may paano-ano pa black-black tayo sa eyes natin. Napa-eyeliner tayo tuloy. So, yun. As you can see guys, of course. Miming, you come here? Ay! Sorry! You come to Mimi? Oh, you see, si Miming guys. Why you are not in the mood? Okay. Oh, Miming. So, yun guys for today's update guys. Maraming salamat. Have a good day to all and everyone. Keep safe wherever you are. And thank you so much. Thank you for watching guys. Have a blessed day. Thank you all. See you next. Mwah. Thank you so much.